Alright, today I'm installing the fuel tank valve Petcock on this CBR 600 F3 fuel tank. Uh, it's a 23-year-old new old stock. Got it directly from the Honda dealership. I didn't want to go with anything aftermarket. This was the old one. The strainer itself, you might see that there's little holes in the mesh, and I was getting a leak at the very bottom here, just a small droplet of fuel from the very bottom of this right here, and I didn't find that acceptable once I was driving, or once I start riding. Fumes, combustion, not a good thing, sitting on a bomb. So anyway, with that being said, put this bad thing in here, and see what we get. Goes in pretty nice. Yep. Put it on there. Alright. Not as smooth as I thought it would go, but it's alright. I did put a little bit of multi-purpose grease on the threads and in the oil seal area. There you go. Nice and snug there. I'll use one of these here to give it a once half turn. Let's go here. There you go. That'll work. Should leak, and if it should leak, then I will tighten her up a little bit more. Actually, I'll do a little bit more, just for comfort. There you go. Alright, I feel good about that. Anyway, this is off, reserve. Okay, we'll demonstrate here. So that's the off position, reserve, and then primary on. Alrighty, well that's all I got to say for today. And you can see here what I got going on here is I wanted to before I put the fuel tank on, I wanted to see if the starter worked, and indeed it did. I hooked cables up to my truck all the way down to the, I don't have a battery, so I hooked it up to the starter, negative wire to the starter, and then positive wire to the positive cable, and then I just turned on the ignition and hit the starter button, and indeed the starter motor did turn over. So I'm pretty confident at least that once I get fuel in it, I might crank, and I might have some combustion, and I might be able to at least see if she starts up. And we'll just go from there. Other than that, guys, that's how I installed the fuel tank Petcock today on the tank. You guys drive safe, and have a good motorcycle riding day. All right, take care.